Tensions are expected to flare in the upcoming ZANU-PF Politburo meeting scheduled for Wednesday, as internal rifts within the ruling party widen, particularly between Vice President Nkosazana Chiwenga and influential businessman kuda kwachitawire. Savena mashoko obuda panguva ino tichiona kuti afani Politburo which is scheduled for tomorrow, and panguva ino wakutongofunga kukakatana kurikuita pakati paVP Nkosazana Chiwenga aiwa nakuda kwachitagure ndobva subscribe like on the bell kuti ipina panapa munozvizere obuda pamuchinzi. ZANU-PF said in a statement that the meeting will take place at the party's headquarters on 30 July 2025 at 10 a.m. The Secretary General of ZANU-PF, Comrade Obed Mpofu, advises members of a Politburo meeting to be held this Wednesday, 30 July 2025 at 1000 hours. The meeting shall be held at ZANU-PF headquarters. All members should be seated by 9:45 hours sharp, the party said. The meeting comes against a backdrop of escalating internal contestation, with the sources pointing to a deepening power struggle between Chiwenga and Tagwire. The businessman, who enjoys significant political and economic influence, is reportedly at odds with Chiwenga over key issues related to the party strategy, appointments, and long-term leadership dynamics. But insiders say the rivalry between the two is spilled into different structures of the party, creating two distinct power centers ahead of the crucial meeting. Although ZANU-PF continues to insist it remains united, this week's Politburo gathering is expected to lay bare some of the unresolved tensions that have been building behind the scenes. With the spotlight firmly on Wednesday's deliberations, all eyes will be on how the party leadership handles the simmering discord between two of its most powerful figures. Ndo mashoko muri Zimbabwe panguva ino Politburo iri kumangwana vanhu vari kunyatsoda kutarisa kunoona kuti zvichafamba sei, vanyaziva kuti aiwa mune ma internal struggles ari kupisa panguva ino. Pina kumese kuchemedu mbotudza mafungiro enyu watodii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, share to the bell icon.